All right. So doing these on your own, I'm going to explain the practice to you. Okay? So the temperature on Wednesday was -5 degrees. On Thursday, it was 23 degrees. Our question is, what is the difference in temperature? Okay, so our math action word is difference. Difference means that you're going to subtract. Okay. So I'm going to take my 23 minus my -5. Okay, subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. That's why you write in pencil. There we go. So I added the opposite. So this is a 28-degree difference. Okay. All right, so here's my picture of my mountain. A mountain peak is 2 miles above sea level, and the valley, so here's the peak, here's the valley, is 2 miles below sea level. What is the change in elevation? Okay, so from here to here, we went 2 miles. From here to here, we went 2 miles. Add those together. 4 miles. All right, next one. You owe the bank $30, and later you earn $48. How much money do you have now? So owing the bank is important, and knowing that we earned that $48. Okay, so when you owe, you have -30. Then we earned 48. That's part of the box. Okay, so these are different signs, so we're going to subtract. And the difference is $18. There's more positives, so now you have positive $18. Okay. Next one. Carla borrows $15, so circle our 15, from her grandma for school supplies. She then borrows $8 more for snacks. Our question is, what number represents the amount of money that Carla has? All right, so she borrowed $15, and then she borrowed $8 more. Okay. So borrowing is the same as owing, so it's a -15. And then more tells me I'm going to add. Borrowing $8 is -8. These are the same signs, so we add them. 15 plus 8 is 23. Okay, and they were both negative, so this is a negative. So overall, she owes her grandma $23. Next one. On Sunday, Jimmy had $25. On Monday, he spent $3. On Tuesday, he got paid $4. On his way home, he spent $1. Our question is, how much money does Jimmy have? So we started with 25. And then he spent, so subtract 3. And then he earned, add 4. Then he spent 1, subtract 1. Okay, so 25 minus 3 is 22. Then the rest of it stays the same, plus 4 minus 1. Let's see. 22 plus 4 is 26. minus 1 is 25. Misty and Togepi are in a Pokemon battle with the evil Team Rocket. Misty sends Togepi to battle Jesse's Ekans. Togepi used Growl and it was super effective. Ekans lost 17 HP. How much HP does Ekans have left if it started with 50 HP? That's a lot of words and a lot of not like normal everyday words, right? We're talking about Pokemon. It's in a different language. So let's circle our numbers. Ekans lost 17 HP, but started with 50 HP. Okay, so all this stuff up here is just a description. We're looking for how much HP does Ekans have left. Okay. It lost 17, and it started with 50. So we're going to do 50, because that's our start. Then lost, we're going to subtract 17. And then it's just 50 minus 17. So Ekans has 33 HP left over. Alright, these kinds, explaining if someone is correct or incorrect. Okay, so your friend says that 6 minus negative 15 is 21. Is that correct? To do these, you're going to go through and solve it on your own, ignoring what your friend said. Okay? So 6 minus negative 15. Subtraction is the same as adding the opposite. So we add the opposite. 6 plus 15 is 21. So your friend was correct. So they were correct and knew that subtraction is the same as adding the opposite. Okay. Okay, last one. Your friend says that 27 plus negative 13 equals negative 27 plus 13. So this should have gone up there. Sometimes they print weird. I'm sorry. Is that correct? So let's try it. 27 plus negative 13. If I want to change it, my first number stays the same. I switch my operation, I switch my sign. So, no. Okay? The first number doesn't change. So they're incorrect. You don't change the first number. And they didn't even change addition. And they didn't change the operation. So if you said something like that, that's fine. The gist is they made the first number negative when they didn't need to, and then they didn't even switch from addition to subtraction. So, all right, that's it. Congrats, you made it.